Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt not quite right? Maybe your head hurts, maybe you feel tired, maybe your body feels weak. You're not seriously sick, but you definitely don't feel well. In American English, we often say, "I'm feeling under the weather." Today, I'll show you exactly what this expression means when Americans use it and how you can use it naturally in everyday English. Let's get started. So what does under the weather mean? Literally, under the weather sounds like you're standing under rain or clouds. But in English, we're not talking about actual weather. When Americans say, "I'm under the weather," we mean, I feel a little sick, I feel tired or unwell, or my body doesn't feel normal today. Usually, it describes mild illness like a cold, a headache, low energy, or body aches. It's a soft and polite way to say you don't feel well. Let's look at some real life situations where we would use the idiom under the weather. Imagine you wake up early for work, but your throat hurts. Your head feels heavy. You feel exhausted. You know you shouldn't go to the office. So you send a message to your boss. "Good morning. I'm feeling a little under the weather today, so I'm going to stay home." This sounds polite and natural. It's softer than saying, "I'm sick." Now I want you to imagine this situation. A student walks into class slowly. They look tired. The teacher asks the student, "Are you okay?" The student says, "I'm just feeling a little under the weather today." Maybe they have a cold, maybe they didn't sleep well. They're not extremely sick, but they don't feel great. Now let's imagine your child wakes up in the morning. They say, "My stomach hurts." They're not vomiting, they're not extremely sick, but they're quiet and tired. You might say, "She's a little under the weather today." I want you to picture this situation now. You plan to meet a friend for coffee, but they text you, "Hey, I'm feeling under the weather today. Can we meet tomorrow instead?" This sounds very natural and polite. Now, this idiom, you'll hear Americans using it all the time. Like, "I'm feeling under the weather," or "She's a little under the weather today." "He stayed home because he was under the weather." "I think I'm coming down with something. I feel under the weather." I want you to notice something important. We often say "a little under the weather." This makes the expression even softer and more natural. Now I want to draw your attention to something really important. This idiom is usually used for mild sickness. If someone has a very serious illness, Americans usually say, "He's very sick," or "She's in the hospital." We don't usually say "under the weather" for something very serious. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Under the weather. Under the weather. Under the weather. Now, if you think that there may be other phrasal verbs that you don't quite understand in English, make sure to take a look in the description below. I have included my phrasal verbs playlist to help you out.